Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Insignia brand dishwasher and you need to reset it. So a couple things. First of all, depending on the model, there might be a start cancel button or a start reset button. And if you have it, if it's in the middle of a cycle and you press and hold that for 3 seconds, it will cancel or reset whatever cycle it's on. But that's not really what we're talking about today, because that doesn't actually reset the dishwasher. It just resets whatever cycle it's on back to its standby mode. But if it's not acting right, or if it's giving you some error codes and you want to do a true hard reset where everything gets turned off and everything gets put back to normal, like a computer that's not acting right, what you need to do is make sure it's turned off, and then you need to unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the circuit. Cut power to it completely and leave that power cut for at least a minute. And the longer the better, because as time goes on, the circuits will kind of forget. The electronics will clear out. And so the longer you can do, the better. And then once you turn it back on, it will cycle back through and start up again in its original settings. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.